Hi, I'm Gail Hodgson. Welcome to my studio. You know, in life when things are pulling you in so many different directions, everything feels urgent, and the Treasured Heart Workshop is a way to pause, breathe, and create something beautiful just for you. There's actually a science to this. The symbols and images and visuals we surround ourselves with that we might not even be aware of can gently shape our mood, our focus, and even our decisions. This piece becomes a message from your heart to you, like a vision board reminding you. It says, slow down, remember what matters most. We'll start with a simple wooden plaque and then choose paint colors that feel right and exciting to you. And then my favorite part, you'll dig through trays of sparkling jewelry and you'll find pieces that you love. Whether you come alone or with a friend, you'll leave with a unique keepsake. A little reminder to treasure yourself, your story, and your heart. If this speaks to your heart, reach out. Let's connect.